Popular cannabis myths busted. Today's myth: coughing makes you higher. A popular adage you'll hear from cannabis smokers old and young is, if you cough, you feel it more. This is in fact false. A cough is your body's response to irritants in your throat and or airways, which in this case makes perfect sense because when you smoke cannabis, you're literally inhaling smoke. Irritation can be especially bad when consumed through combustion, as this act can produce toxic byproducts including tar, carbon monoxide, and ammonia. If you would like to reduce the amount of byproducts you inhale, in addition to reducing the risk of developing conditions like COPD or bronchitis, you may want to switch to dry herb vaping. As long as the temperature is kept lower than 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can still consume the desired parts of the flower without reaching the point of combustion.